Hello everyone and welcome to Small Fabulous Home channel. In this video I will create my own home decor with what I already have in my home. Well, the entire world is on lockdown, so might as well use this time to be more creative and stay home, stay safe. Here are some of all the decorating items I found in my house. We will use part of them as the idea I'm going for is a bit of Oriental vibes, Moroccan, a bit of Istanbul memories. So let's get to it. What you could do is mix some of your decorations. Take a candle holder and a simple basket. Add some potpourri or dry plants. You can create your own or you can find them in any store and online. They look very good and add a sense to the entire room. I will also use this candle dish, but this time not for a candle. This is how it looks for now. It still feels like something is missing. I added some small artificial plants, a candle, a tray that looks amazing in front of the TV, but I believe the souvenirs from Istanbul will look nice as well. Check to see if you have anything else in your home that will look good in this decor. Also found that hookah that reminds me of Istanbul. So this is the final look, guys. I am so happy it turned out so amazing. I love it, absolutely love it. I dream of traveling again, so right now this is the closest I can get to another country. Leave comments, let me know how it is. Do share your own ideas, and hopefully my idea had also inspired someone. Please don't forget to follow our Instagram page and don't forget to click subscribe. Next video Friday. See ya!